The partnership between China and Egypt has yielded fruitful results and mutual benefits in recent years. China is one of the countries with the most active and fastest growing investments in Egypt in the last decade. As China convenes its two sessions, CGTN's Yasser Hakim looks at the economic cooperation between the two countries that has continued to deepen.
Egypt was the first Arab and African country to establish diplomatic relations with the People's Republic of China in 1956. Since then, China and Egypt's relationship has continued to strengthen.
Our decision maker in this country view that China is a model in the economy, a model in military affairs, and in culture and many aspects of the life. There are a lot of files that Egypt and China have the same viewpoint in the region, how to solve the conflicts, and they believe in that, in the idea of the peaceful solution.
As a reflection of the recent rapprochement, Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi has visited China several times since he took office in 2014, while Chinese President Xi Jinping visited Egypt in 2016. The strong political ties in the last few years have had a positive impact on economic cooperation between both countries. And the numbers speak for itself. Bilateral trade between China and Egypt rose to $19.7 billion in 2021, up from $11 billion in 2014. This is as China has grown to become Egypt's top exporter, according to data by the Egyptian Finance Ministry. Meanwhile, Chinese institutions have provided Egypt with $10 billion of financial aid for developmental projects.
Egypt is one of the largest markets in the region and is targeted by China because geographically it links Asia with the Middle East and Africa and serves China's dream project, which is the Belt and Road Initiative. Therefore, there is mutual benefit from the economic cooperation.
China is helping upgrade Egypt's infrastructure, including building the business district at the new administrative capital, the highest tower in Africa, the light electric train, and the Benban Solar Park, which is one of the largest solar parks in the world. Chinese investments have also tripled in 5 years to hit $1.5 billion, with the Tida Chinese Industrial City at the Suez Canal, the first of its kind to be established in the Middle East and North Africa region.
Egypt's ports and logistical infrastructure makes it attractive for Chinese investments, especially on the Suez Canal and other Egyptian ports, which connect Asia to Europe and the huge African market.
Going forward, there is optimism that China will help to drive the rebound of Egypt's vital tourism industry after the pandemic disrupted movement across the globe. Officials in Egypt estimate more than 1 million Chinese tourists will visit the North African country in 2023. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.